prostitutes. They said, hit me, $50 gets you laid. I said, no thanks, girl, I could deal without your aids. They got mad, they chased me round the parking lot, calling me a worthless rat infested on the rhino snot. One gonna be when you ran around the block, stabbed me in the leg and almost cut my spatula, 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 spatula. Got something I carry, but don't let you see its handle is long, and I always keep an eye on me. It's always hard, and I like to use it much. It helps me get into places that are far too hard to touch. I wash it with soap, and with a washcloth I will stroke it. It's made of plastic, not like my old one, for I broke it. By now this song is probably getting you sick, so I'll end it by saying, spatula, 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 spatula,
Fish from Dodoland is marching down a mucus strand that leads from Falco to Ayn Rand with stops at Chad and Spain, while night-fat popes and two-head Jews guffaw and grunt and feel the lose with milk squeezed from their underoos and carbonated pain. A riboflavin travesty goes up and down the tapestry that graces my new haggistry by cowlight and by nightly, and Christ the Kumquat troubadour has stapled omelets to the floor and burned the bush from every hall whose curtains were unsightly. Upon the Vomit King, who brandished forth his ding-a-ling, and then defiled everything with Casios and roses. A pox upon the lying nips that promised me fried paperclips, for now I'm eating bacon strips and shacking up with Moses. A pox upon this stupid song, which sounds too dumb and lasts too long, as odorous as a sumo's thong, and worse with every stanza. A pox upon the nipple tree that I've been growing rectally since Long Division and E.T. had sex with Tony Danza. Wad of camel bile is hurtling glumly down the aisle and genuflecting all the while like Nerf snuffles at a totem, and traipsing through the wiggling sod, a sentient screaming curtain rod, as subtle as a cattle prod delivered to the scrotum. The holy mane of Mr. T was eaten by calligraphy, served with a side of sodomy and doom and gloom and presage. So graft potatoes to your brain and lubricate a whooping crane.
Hello there, I'm John McCain, and I approve this message.
Oh, my penis is anatomically correct, which means it has a penis, and that penis is anatomically correct because it has a penis, and the penis of that penis has a penis with a penis, and that penis has a penis with a penis on its penis, and the penis on the penis of the penis has a penis, and that penis has a penis with a penis with a penis with a tattoo.